make wine with this. It have a strong smell.
Strong,
Let's
yes.
see how is it.
Oh, so it looks something like this. We just found this place. What do local people eat here? It's okay, I can wait, and I have time. Make.
Yes, I'm ready to Nepali khana, you know, sir.
He said that we can go shoot inside his kitchen. He'll show us how he makes.
Yeah, it's ready.
Okay.
This is bamboo.
This is bamboo shoot,
Yeah,
right?
this is very fresh, you know. I will make this achar something.
Okay. And
So
here we have the cabbage.
what rice I'm making here dal, Nepali style dal, I'm trying.
Nepali style.
Saag, dry saag.
That?
Gundruk.
Okay.
This is saag.
Okay. What salt?
Saag, this is gundruk, Nepali.
Gundruk. Okay.
So you make it just, I will sauté this.
Great. How long you have been cooking? How long you have been cooking?
Sir, I'm locked down. I'm staying 17 years in India.
Yeah. In India?
India.
17 years?
Yes.
Where?
I'm staying in Delhi, Punjab, Chandigarh, MP, Madhya Pradesh, and
Okay, other places. Most of the customers in your restaurant, is it like foreigners or local?
local.
Local.
मैडम आपको तो हिंदी बहुत अच्छा आता था मैं 17 साल इंडिया में रहा हूँ.
So there you used to just in India you used to cook.
I learn India. In Nepal, India learn mixed food.
I think in Indian food and Nepali food are similar.
No, this is different. Sir.
Different.
Just Indian heavy food, oily, there's spicy
Spices,
masala. Yeah,
more
they're not.
spices.
Yes. I'm working in Dubai also 12
Okay.
years to stay in Dubai.
Oh.
Okay. Even there you used to cook.
Yeah.
So you
yes,
started your own business in Nepal.
Yes. Bus is rent, not my house.
But still. So we got our food.
Okay, thank you very much.
Thank you. It looks good. This is like a simple
This
Nepali
also you
food. Okay, the salad. Okay, and this is bamboo
This is
shoot.
bamboo, sir. Bamboo.
So what is like? How do
As
you
long as bamboo.
just boil it? Did you
Yeah,
just
boil.
okay? And this is the gundruk.
नेपाली जो साग सुखा के बनाते हैं ना मैडम गुंद्रुक बोलते हैं ना.
Yes, Nepali gundruk. And this is the dal. Okay, so we'll taste it. Thank you. I'll make some dal. Get some vegetables. Yeah.
Salt is perfect.
Yeah, now taste the bamboo shoot. This is the bamboo shoot. Said he boiled it.
It's really soft, the bamboo shoot.
Yeah. This is very nice. It's soft and a bit salty, but not too much. And this is the Nepali kundruk. I'm not sure if I'm pronouncing that right. So let me taste this bit. This tastes pretty nice. Not too strong, but when you chew it, it gets juicy. If any of you are from Nepal who's watching this video, if you know any of the places in Pokhara and Kathmandu that serves authentic Nepali food, then you can comment, and I will pin the comment so that other people who are planning to visit Nepal can check out those places. While I was talking to this guy, he said there's like a traditional drink. Yeah, he said that he has some local Nepali wine or beer. So it looks something like this. He said he have this, and he's asked if
When you give any order,
I have tried this.
yeah, this is same. I put in water.
so this you make wine with this.
Yeah, but this is all good.
It have a strong smell.
Strong, yes, strong. Then I will put the hot water.
You have it now?
Little.
Do you have it now?
This is
The wine.
only.
Wine, other wine, yes.
You
right. Yes,
okay,
very good.
okay.
Same, this made wine.
Okay.
I want to try
This is tumba, but Raksi, Raksi, tumba.
Okay.
ये strong है क्या बहुत?
बहुत strong है.
Strong है ना ये?
हाँ, strong है.
हाँ, काफी
पानी डालना पड़ेगा. दूसरा इससे बना रक्सी है ना जो वाइन थोड़ा टेस्ट करेगा.
So he said that he'll make us taste one of the local wine here that's made of this stuff that he have just shown. It's like a Nepali food and drink stay for us.
Long time come to Nepal. This is organs.
What is this?
This is
Not the same, no? This is different.
This is different.
This is wine.
Wine, yes, Nepali,
Smell it.
homemade.
Homemade.
Yeah.
Okay, great.
Is it very strong?
Yes, it is not easy. Yeah, just take it, no problem.
Okay. How do you? Hello.
Hey, you're a YouTuber?
What's your name?
Satem.
This is very strong. It has some smell, so I'll just have a sip and see how it tastes. Okay, bye bye.
Bye.
This is pretty. Yeah, it is pretty strong. Pretty strong,
Yes,
yeah.
try, yes.
I just taste. Yeah, this. I was
It's
describing.
more like vodka.
It's more like vodka. Yeah, and also I can feel when I drink my whole throat. It runs down to my throat and it feels a little warm. Yeah,
But very good for health. It's not
it's
very
good for health.
Yes.
How do they make it?
भाप होता है ना पसीने को क्या बोलते
Okay,
हैं?
this is just vapor.
Disco?
Okay,
Oh,
so
okay.
he's saying that this
This
is
is not
made.
water. This is
Okay, this he said this not it's made
पसीना
from.
होता है ना ऊपर से बाहर
Okay.
आता है,
Paper.
So what he is saying that it's made from the vapor, and they
इसी का
steam
जो
it.
अंदर पका करता है उसके मशीन में पाइप लगा के उसका भाप
Okay.
It's like a distillation type.
Okay, so it's distilled. So we're going to try a different one. So this is the thing that he have just showed in the bucket. So apparently you're supposed to have it with warm or hot water. Even that's sort of a liquor, right? He just got us a drink, and this is pretty hot.
Let's see how is it.
Oh, so it looks something like this, and you can close it now. And it's warm, right? It's hot. So maybe there's
Be soaked in
yeah.
for a while.
hey, and then there's I think it just seems that you have to pour it from here.
Okay.
What's the name of this?
This is tumba.
Tumba.
Yes, tumba.
And this one?
This is rakshi.
This is what?
Alcohol.
Yeah.
Alcohol.
This
Don't drink
made
alcohol,
from
it's
the
bad.
same
It's the spelling
Don't
bata
drink.
do na.
rakshi.
This is
Just
how it's
still.
made of.
Yeah.
And now it's here.
क्या है रागी?
रागी उसका आता है.
So you made this drink from
yeah,
this
yeah,
one?
Yeah.
No. From this, whatever he put,
Yeah.
he made this powder again. So he can basically from the ragi you get the alcohol beverage, and now he'll make atta out of this
This
again.
is, I will say after Dido, make this from powder.
So nothing is wasted. So you're making
But-
use of everything. Nice.
So you not take non-veg, you not take.
No, I used to have, now I quit. He said that you're supposed to just sip it like you're having in a straw. So I'll just try to taste this.
But I'm familiar with this, so it's nice.
Just warm and have a sour taste. But I think I have tried something similar to this before, and this has got a very smoky flavor to it. That's how it looks.
Do you know the alcoholic percentage in Raksi?
I don't know.
Guess.
40,
Somewhere close.
50. What's that?
In between 40 and
45, 48, 45. Yeah, that's strong. You can have this. That's the those seeds or beans. That's the thing that he have
That's
shown.
the ragi.
Yeah, that's the ragi. He has shown in the bucket earlier. So just shake this, and I thought that you're supposed to just pour this like a chai or tea, but apparently you're supposed to sip it. So he decided to have a drink himself. Cheers. Thanks for the nice
Thank you.
meal.
I'm so great. I'm so happy.
Thank you. Thank you.
you.
So you have served people from all over different countries, right? Which country people are your favorite to serve?
Indian, because I have everything learned from India.
Okay. We are done with eating. Thank you so much.
Okay, sir.
Yeah. And hopefully we see you again.
You taste?
Okay.
Okay, I like it.
Okay, thank you. So we are done eating and also drinking. The drink wasn't in the plan, but he said it's a local thing, so we just tried. And what's the address if someone wants to come here? What's the address of this place?
This place
In Pokhara?
Lakeside.
Yeah.
Street number 13, Barai Chowk.
Yeah, Street
Street
13.
number Street 13,
Yeah.
Barai Chowk,
Okay,
Lakeside.
okay. Okay, thank you. Have a good day. Bye.
Bye.
Almost reached towards the end of the street, and out of nowhere I see Pokhara Disneyland. Let's see what's the deal. That joyride is just running on its own. I don't know why it just seems creepy when I see a joyride running on its own when no one's sitting there. For some reason it's just creepy. So that's the Pokhara Disneyland Fun Park. But I'm not sure a lot of you guys might want to take a swim in this. We'll just check out. See turkeys. I think this is where the Pokhara Disneyland ends, and I think I'll end my video out here. How's the road?
Road?
Yeah. It's not too good. We came across a lot of landslides. At one point I could actually see the stones coming down towards the bus. Stop. I think that's some sort of a curry. What's this?
This